Hello and welcome to the Django DRF API Query Fundamentals course. My name is Xander. Now this tutorial is part of a whole course playlist available for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the full course is available for purchase at Udemy. Find all of these resources and links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. In the previous tutorial, we presented the database ERD, so we're going to need to use that now to develop our Django models. In this module, I've broken down the development of Django models into small stages. The first step, let's go ahead and define database tables. Right, so I'm going to use the word tables and models interchangeably. Head over to App, look for the inventory app that was automatically created in the previous steps, and look for models. So here we're going to define our Django models. Essentially, what we're defining here is that we are describing all of our what will be eventually database tables, fields, and all the other attributes and parameters connected to each of the tables and fields. A Django model that represents a table in the database. Here in the models file, we define our Django model as a Python class. So we need the class keyword. Now, when creating class names, we need to make sure that we use a capital letter. If we have multiple names, we're just going to use this camel case of making sure that each word starts off with a capital letter. Right, so we're going to need to define this by extending models.model. So here you can see that we have from Django DB imported models. So models provides Django's built-in database functionality. So we use the models.models or pass it in here to our new table that we're building essentially to define the fact that this is going to be a database table. Django is going to know that this will need to be implemented as a database table. Right, so we need to do this for all of our database tables. So I've already gone ahead. Each of the tables that is identified in our database ERD. There should be 8 tables in total. I've now created all of these tables as Django models in the model file. So to recap, class and then the name of the class that defines a table. In this case, we have a category table. So Django is going to use the class name to define the name of the table that's created unless we specify it otherwise. We've used models.model. So here we inherit from models.model, making this a Django model. So Django will now automatically map this class to a table in the database.